In this video, you'll learn an advanced beginner tap dance combination to the song Haunted Steps. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier with tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump on in. Starting with the right foot, you're going to have dig, step, spank, step, dig, step, spank, step, flap, heel, step, step, stamp. You bet I'm doing that again. That was 6, 7, 8. Dig, step, spank, step. Dig, step, spank, step. Flap, heel, step, step, stamp. Now we'll take our left foot and do dig, step, spank, step. Dig, step, spank, step. Followed by stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. Again, that last part was stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. Let's do that entire left side where the left side started with a dig, step, spank, step. Left, 6, 7, and dig, step, spank, step. Dig, step, spank, step. Stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. Super, my friends. Let's take it top. 5, 6, 7, and dig, step, spank, step. Dig, step, spank, step. Flap, heel, step, step, stamp. Left side, dig, step, spank, step. Dig, step, spank, step. Stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. One more time, my friends, from the top all the way to there. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left side, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. From there, your right foot's free. Double crampo roll, spank, step, stamp. Double buffalo, flap, stamp. Oh yes, I'll show that again. Starting right foot, 6, 7, 8. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. A 5 and a 6 and a 3 and 8. Again, 5, 6, ready, go. Double crampo roll, spank, step, stamp. Double buffalo, flap, stamp. From there, your right foot's free. Heel, toe, heel, both toes. Again, that's heel, toe, heel, both. Followed by toe, step, dig. One more time, that's toe, step, dig. Let's connect it from our heel, toe. 6, ready, go. Heel, toe, heel, both. Toe, step, dig. Same spot. 6, ready, go. Heel, toe, heel, both. Toe, step, dig. Wonderful, my friends. Now we're going to rewind to that double cramp roll and connect all of those new pieces together. 6, ready, go. Double cramp roll, spank, step, stamp. Double buffalo, flap, stamp. Heel, toe, heel, both. Toe, step, dig. I think we should go from that exact same spot, just like we did. 5, 6, ready, go. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. A 5 and a 6 and a 3 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Excellent, my friends. Let's connect that all from the top. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. A 5 and a 6 and a 3 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I think we should give that all another shot and see how that goes. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. A 5 and a 6 and a 3 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Beautiful, my friends. Let's try all that with the music. The song is called Haunted Steps. Full disclosure, it is AI created or assisted. I did some tweaks on it. but it is primarily AI created. If you want to get the music, there's a link down below. So we're going to try with music. I'm going to start about 10% under to make sure we're really comfortable with it at the slower speed, and then I'll work us all the way up to the real deal. I'm starting at 10 seconds into the song, and let's give it a shot. But let's slow it down. There we go. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance and not.
If it feels a little slow, just hang tight. We will get to a faster speed. For those of you who are liking this speed, we're going to do it again at this tempo so you can get comfortable. Here we go, from the top, have fun. 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance and night.
I play with that toe position a little bit. If you want to play with that, you can go cross, out, cross, step, step, dig, dig. It's totally optional. I just play a little bit. All right, I'm going to boost it up about 5% to -5%. So we were -10, now we'll be -5. You'll feel the difference, but it should, keyword is should be manageable. All right, here we go. Try it. 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away.
Beautiful, my friends. Let's roll that again at that -5% speed. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Let's dance the night away.
Oh, it's time now. We're going to bump it up all the way to the real speed. Best of luck. You can do it. Let's do it and have some fun. And 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing.
Hey,
Let's
nice.
dance the night away. Feel the groove.
We're going to roll that again.
Spooky tunes and eerie sounds.
5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away.
One more time, my friends. Real speed. One more time.
Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
Yeah. 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing.
Yeah.
Come on, let's dance and
All right, beautiful, my friends. Let's learn the rest of this. So you finish toe, 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 step, step, dig, dig, right foot's free. Spank, step, heel, grapevine, grapevine. Stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, step, step. I'm going to show that again. That was spank, step, heel, grapevine, grapevine. Stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, step, step. Now left foot leading, you're going to have dig toe step, dig toe step, dig toe step, stamp. This is going to be on the brisk side. I'm just giving you a heads up. Again, that was dig toe step, dig toe step, dig toe step, stamp, followed by step shuffle, step shuffle, step, stamp, stamp. Again, that ending, step shuffle, step shuffle, step, stamp, stamp. And congratulations, you know the rest of the combination. Let's rewind back to spank, step, heel, grapevine, grapevine. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 E. 5 and 6 and 7, 8 E. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. I'm going to show you that again. 6, ready, go. Spank, step, heel, grapevine, grapevine. Stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, step, step. Dig toe step, dig toe step, dig toe step, stamp. Step shuffle, step shuffle, step, stamp, stamp. One more time, my friends, one more time. 6, ready, go. Spank, step, heel, grapevine, grapevine. Stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, step, step. Dig toe step, dig toe step, dig toe step, stamp. Step shuffle, step shuffle, step, stamp, stamp. Now I want to practice the transition from the end of the first section, which was toe, 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 step, step, dig, dig, into spank, step, heel, grapevine, grapevine. We're just going to practice that transition so we get those connected up in our minds. From the toe, toe, toe. 6, ready, go. Toe, 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 step, step, dig, dig, spank, step, heel, grapevine, grapevine. Again, just that transition, same spot. 6, ready, go. Toe, 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 step, step, dig, dig, spank, step, heel, grapevine, grapevine. One more time, same spot, but this time keep going all the way to the end. 6, ready, go. Toe, 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 step, step, dig, dig, spank, step, heel, grapevine, grapevine. Stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, step, step. Dig toe step, dig toe step, dig toe step, stamp. Step shuffle, step shuffle, step, stamp, stamp. Woo! All right, my friends, it's time to take this from the top all the way through, putting it all together. You can do it. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to drop it back minus 5%, so we get used to that at the slower speed, and then I'll boost it up. Here we go. Good luck. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky, gain the chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away. Feel the groove that's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythm from the ground.
nice. All right. We're getting the feel. We'll try it again so you can connect all those pieces together. I know, and we just keep stacking more and more content. Sometimes the stuff that you learned last just falls off. When you get there, you're like, I can't remember it. That's normal. If you remembered it all perfectly, you're exceptional. If you kind of forgot when you got to the end, that's the expected. We'll do it a couple more times so you get comfortable with that and you can put it all together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky, gain the chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away. Feel the groove that's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
Super, my friends. Let's boost it up to the real speed. I know you can do it. Have some fun. Happy Halloween. Let's see how it goes. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky, gains a chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted
always takes one, even for me. I'm still kind of adjusting to that tempo change. That's normal. The second time through, real speed should feel more comfortable, and you should lock in into the pocket of the music a little bit better. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away. Feel the groove, it's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
Beautiful, my friends. Let's give it one more shot at real speed. Make this your best. Don't forget to smile and enjoy yourself. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away. Feel the groove, it's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
Beautiful, my friends. I'm going to do it one more time, facing you, just so you can see what it looks like from the front. You're not expected to do with me. Let's see how it goes.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away. Feel the groove, it's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
Beautiful. Thank you all so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. If you did, we've got structured content at unitedtaps.com and a lot more at YouTube on our membership channel, which actually is where you are right now if you're watching this. So thank you. I appreciate it. I, of course, am Rod Howe from unitedtaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.